guys! Just woke up. Ako nakatoka magluto today. Ito ang lulutuin ko. Yung noodles. Kasi matagal na siya dyan. So, I just need to check if I have everything that I need. I have the carrots. Okay. And this one. Good morning!
Now look, Mama, look.
What?
I'm gonna do something cool. I shoot a corner up.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got, not triple, fiftle.
What's that?
Fiftle is not triple.
Not triple.
Fiftle is 5.
So how do you say it?
It's fiftle.
Fiftle.
Yeah, it's 5.
Good morning. What's that? What are you writing? Magluluto na muna ako. 10:15 na. Prep ko na lahat. So, I have the chicken, broccoli, cabbage, onion and garlic, carrots, and I think gagamitin ko Akia noodle. While waiting for the food, kasi hindi pa siya tapos. And gutom na ako. So, I'm gonna have this. So, this one has yogurt, oats, chia seeds, granola, banana, and honey and peanut butter.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Nakaluto na ako. Dalawang types of noodles yung niluto ko. Isang Akia and then isang egg noodle. So, this is yung Akia noodles. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas mataba yung noodles niya. And then this is the egg noodles. So, kind of similar lang siya. Magkaiba lang ng noodles and pinaghiwalay ko. Ito yung para sa mga kids kasi gusto nila yung mga matataba yung noodles. And this is for us. Another package from Shein. We're gonna open it. Another bag.
Like and subscribe!
Ito yung mga nakuha ko sa Shein. At this time, it's all for me. Wala yung mga kids dito. Lahat nasukat ko na. Kasi ang usually ginagawa ko, kapag kabili ko, tinatry ko lahat para yung mga hindi ko gusto, nare-return ko kagad. Yung mga ikikip ko, and then meron akong 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 na i-return. 1:30 na pala. Luto naman ako ng steak. Isi-season ko lang. Gusto ni Hubby yung maraming pepper. Yan na yung steak. So, oil muna. And then after a while, maglalagay ako ng butter. So, I'm just gonna put this. I'm gonna add butter. Para mag-brown. Yan yung masarap dyan kapag nagba-brown siya ng ganyan. Then, kapag nag-brown na siyang ganyan, dadagdag pa ako ng butter. More butter. Diba? That's so nice. Oh my God. Bango. Ito yung size niya. Look at that. Ito na yung pagka-brown. Yum. Mag-prepare na ako kasi kakain na kami. It's almost 2 o'clock na pala. I know, hindi siya ka-partner, pero tinatamad na ako magluto ng sides. So, ayan na lang yung sides ni Hubby. Niluto kong noodles. And then he has the steak. And this is mine. Today, magka-carbs ako. Kasi wala kaming ibang food kundi ito lang pansit. Actually, ang lulutuin ko sana is yung beef with mushrooms. Kaso nga, tinaman na ako. So, ito na lang. Pansit. Let me just show you again the pancit. Oh, di ba? Looks yummy. Sila Chester daw, mamaya pa sila kakain kasi hindi yata nakatulog properly si Callie. So, sinasabayan nila ng tulog. So, mauna na daw kami. Tawagin ko lang si Callie. Food is ready, babe. Okay. Parang masarap to kapag may kalamansi. It's nice. Ganito yung gusto kong luto sa vegetable salad sa broccoli. Yung medyo ano pa, crunchy pa.
Like, hello.
So this is the sides. It's fine,
That's very
right?
nice.
I'm lazy already to cook sweet potatoes. So I'm not sure about the steak. If it's medium, if it's rare, or if it's well done.
If it's medium rare, I'll eat it. If it's well done, you'll eat it. It's medium, I think.
Medium.
Medium well. It looks like, anyway. Very nice.
Nice.
Mm.
Can you cut me a piece on the side? Small one, yeah?
Or this one is for fat. You want it?
Actually, kapag steak na ganyan
Wow.
kalata ba? No, I don't want the mustard. So, ganyan yung luto niya. It's leaning towards medium well. Gusto niya habi, medium. Pero kapag ganyan kasi matataba yung steak, nahihirapan ako i-nail yung medium.
Yeah, medium well, huh? Very nice.
Did you like the food?
Yeah, very nice, right? Very.
It's destroyed. Where's the rest of it?
Not only that, you saw it in 5 minutes, right?
Mine's also done. Walang tira. Ubos. Okay, remember dun sa last vlog ko, I've mentioned na bala ko bumili ng action camera. I got it. In-order ko siya from noon, and I'm gonna unbox it now because I am so excited. As I said before, additional camera to for me. I meant to say additional or like extra backup if something happens with the DJI Osmo. Tulad niyan, bala ko isend to sa Hong Kong. Mawawalan ako pang vlog, so I got this. This is the DJI Osmo Action 5. Got it! By the way, I got this one, Adventure Combo. So, meron tong two types. Dalawang klase siya kapag bibili ka ng Action 5. Isang standard combo, and then this one is the Adventure Combo. Oh my god. Actually, meron akong action camera. I have the GoPro. I don't remember kung anong model nun. Kaso ang tagal ko na siya hindi nagagamit and hindi ko na alam kung nasan yun. Ito yung nasa loob niya. May kasama siyang extension rod. By the way, bumili na ako ng mga accessories na itong Action 5. Like, bumili ako ng mas maliit na tripod. Feeling ko malaki or I don't know. So, I bought something na mas maliit. Kapag dumating, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo. Pero siguro mga ganito lang yung size niya. And how do you extend this? Oh yeah. So, see? Na-extend siya. Oh my god, mahaba siya. Mahaba siya, guys. See? Bihira lang ako gumamit ng ganyang size. Siguro kung gagamitin ko to, siguro pang ganito lang. Pang handhold lang. Pero mas prefer ko pa rin yung mas maliit. Kaya nag-order ako. You know the good thing, kung bakit napili kong bumili ng Action 5? Yung battery daw nito, isang battery naglalast ng 4 hours, which is super good. Kung magka-travel kayo and whole day kayong nasa labas, di ba? You don't need to worry about charging it. Kasi meron tong extra battery. It comes with 3 batteries. You see? So each battery lasts 4 hours. So you're good to go na, di ba? Ito yung isang reason kung bakit ito yung kinuha ko, yung Adventure Combo. Ito naman yung i-open ko yung ngayon, yung Action 5. Ang liit. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. This one. Dual screen siya. Meron siya dito. So kapag nagba-vlog ka, you can see yourself. And then, there's another screen at the back. This is waterproof, by the way. You don't need any special case for this one. By the way, this one has a built-in memory. Meron siyang 47 GB na storage. Pero meron pa rin akong biniling SD card. I got another SD card from Noon as well. Kahit meron siyang built-in storage, I still need it. Nagkalat pa siya. Nilalaro ko pa to. I mean, inaaral ko pa siya kung paano siya gamitin. But so far, all good. Pero naputol ako kasi Pinapalabas ako ni Mama. Nagluto daw siya ng maruya or ano. Tikman ko daw.
Tikman mo muna. Ito, may with honey. Honey lang yan.
Maruya? Ano yung maruya?
Maruya, yung saging.
Walang asukal to?
Walang asukal yan. Kasi kakain nga ako. Minas ko yung saging.
Walang asukal yan?
Wala. Marami pa doon lulutuin.
That's so nice, guys. I didn't like maruya. It's very nice, baby. You don't like the taste of it? It's yummy. Oh my god, why you're sweaty? Kuya, you like maruya?
Because it's hot.
Because it's hot. Sarap pala yung maruya. Ano to? Tikman ko to. Bakit ganito to? It's nice. Ang sarap. Sarap siya.
Tikman. Walang honey na. Kaya walang honey yan.
Harap lang. So now I'm trying to film using the Action 5. Tatry ko lang kung ano itsura niya. You wanna try this? Look, have a new camera.
Oh, Mama, I want to tell you something. I can hold that when you go to pool.
This one can go underwater.
Can I hold it when we go to another pool?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
We're
bring
gonna
it.
swim with it.
You know, I'm not using the remote now. I'm using my voice to talk to the TV and does it. If I say pause the video, it pause the video. It does everything what I say.
It does?
Yeah. I swear to God.
Okay, I believe you, my love.
Hi, I'm a vlogger.
What do you want to show them?
The TV listens to me without the rope.
So now I have two vlogging cameras. I have these. This is the one I'm using. This is the Osmo Pocket. Ganyan siya kaliit. Very small. Ito yung isa. You see the size of that? Dumating na pala yung birth certificate ni Callie.
What's that?
Wow, camera!
Oh, birth certificate ni Kali. Thanks, ma. Kali's birth certificate.
Yan na yun?
Birth certificate.
Asan ang pangalan?
Isa na siyang legal na tao sa UAE.
Can I have some popcorn? Thank you, my baby. Thank you.
Pause.
Kiss. Hey, that's a lot of popcorn. Can I have some popcorn? Hello.
What's that?
Here's
I'm
some.
coding! Can you not see I'm coding?
Tulala.
Tulala.
Pakalak kumain niya ni Kali.
Ha?
Mahirap na, hirap pa ako lalo.
Parang mahirap na.
Mahirap na ako, hirap pa ako lalo.
Kasi matakaw.
Kain guys. Rancho na.
5 o'clock na.
Yup.
Oras ng tanghalian.
Montage yan, ma.
Pag oras ng tanghalian, kumain kayo kasi si Gio nagpe-breastfeed.
Wala mga kami tulog nga ni kanina. At sinabayan na si Kali. Tulog, steady lang oh.
Ito, ang ganda ng mata, oh.
What? What's the matter? Eh, poop pala si Kali, kaya di siya mapakali. Feeling ko ito na dinner ko. Popcorn.
Popcorn?
Yeah. Nagayaya nga si Bas, lumabas. Tinatamad ako. Tsaka anong oras na?
Pag-direct ko lang ah.
I finished my water first, and then I finished my water again.
How
Look.
many? Is that your third bottle or fourth?
The
Hmm?
Wait, can the baby see us now?
Adam?
Can the baby see us now?
Baby?
No.
How?
She won't be.
A little bit. She can see a little bit now. You can play with her.
You joking, Kali, ha? Ito, mama.
Oh, can he hear?
Yeah. She
A
can hear.
lot like me?
Nag-iaya si Chester burger daw. Should I order and eat some burger? Actually, ilang araw ko na siyang kinikrave. Tinatry ko talagang hindi mag-order. Kaso wala pa kaming dinner. Wala pang dinner si Happy. So, ako rin medyo nagugutom. Which burger do you like if I order burger?
The one at McDonald's.
So, this is again, this is the Action 5. Sina-charge ko yung isa, yung DJI Osmo because I ran out of battery, so now I'm using this one. Okay, I gave in. Nag-order lang ako from Hardee's. Nagbabalak ako kung i-cancel. Sabi ko kay Chester kanina, ika-cancel ko na lang kasi hindi naman ako nagutom. Nalipasan na ako ng gutom kasi nagpumilit siya na mag-order daw. So, napa-order na rin ako para matapos na tong cravings ko. Today is another cheat day. Wala na katapos ang cheat day. Hardee's. I have something here, Kuya, if you like.
Tuwa ko din mo,
Look
no?
on this side.
Ayaw niya amoy.
I have something here for you.
Wow.
Can you open it? Can you first guess? Guess.
A toy.
How about you, Aiden?
It's a food, but what type? What is your guess?
What's spice?
Let's see.
No, I think calamari.
Calamari?
I think it's calamari.
You think it's calamari too?
Mhm.
It starts with C. So,
Churros!
Maybe, I don't know.
Sorito!
what?
Churros!
Let's see.
Chicken popcorn!
Chicken popcorn. What's that? Open it, Pepe.
Cheetos!
Cheetos?
Chicho.
It's churros.
I got the color.
And you have a dip here. Which dip do you like?
I want chocolate.
No. You eat here because it's sweet.
I'll get you a chair.
I got them this.
What is it?
It's from
This is a churros, babe.
What is a
it's
churro?
from Global. It's from Global Village.
Churros?
It's okay, my love.
What is your
Thank you. Can you also please give me some water?